Meaning of expound.
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 Expound. The word expound means to explain or present something in detail and systematically. When you expound on a topic, you provide a thorough and comprehensive explanation that offers a clear understanding of the subject matter. This can involve breaking down complex concepts into smaller parts, using examples to illustrate key points, and offering additional information to support your arguments or ideas. The goal of expounding is to provide a deeper understanding of the subject and to ensure that your audience has a clear comprehension of the topic at hand.